Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum, sort of an end of the day update. What I wanted to do in this video is just to dive into the shorter time frame price action. I think the forecast was correct for today, sideways. Yeah, I showed you that triangle earlier today. That is filling out nicely. So hopefully everybody was preferred for some nice calm Saturday price action. And yeah, just looking at this structure again, I'm still watching here for possibly one more high at least in wave 5 of 1, but bear in mind that the primary scenario has been fulfilled. It doesn't necessarily need one more high, but I'm looking for one more tiny high ideally. I'll show you why in a minute. Overall here, I'm still looking at this as wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3. We filled in the wave 4 nicely. It maxed out what it could do. And we can count this move up as a correction. Yeah, ABC, 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 and an ABC in wave 5. So it's a diagonal, a leading diagonal. Also, the deep wave 4 would confirm that. So again, it might get 5 waves up, but I've labeled it as an ABC. I'm going to show you that now. And I also want to talk to you about, okay, what is the level that needs to break for me to tell you that wave 1 is finished and we're coming down in wave 2. Wave 2 current support is at 1696. That's based on the Ethereum USD chart on Binance. That might differ a little bit on your exchange. It is based on the latest high that we had. No, that's not quite correct, is it? 1 second. Just need to pick the bit lower. It's a bit lower. We talk about, okay, the 1696 didn't change anything, so it's fine. Yeah, the idea is that we're now in the 5th wave. So from that point of view, primary expectation fulfilled already. But now if we deep dive, if we do a deep dive into this micro count here, I've got an A wave to the upside of the 28th of June low to the 30th of June high. A wave, a B wave down. This is also the level I need to see break. Well, actually, that swing low, the wave 2 low, if that breaks at 1844, I assume that price is heading down. So we've got that 1844 level here. If price breaks below it, then we're looking at not bearish, but you know, confirmation that we're heading in into this wave 2 here. Yeah, but only if it breaks below 1844. I'll put that in red. Yeah, breaking below that should send us down lower. It's actually a bit ugly, isn't it? So let's just do this. Okay, at least then we've got confirmation. Until then, yeah, higher is possible. I mean, we've been waiting here for a breakout to the upside. Maybe it's happening now, but it's not confirmed yet. So we talked about, okay, ABC to the upside. So one more squiggle higher would be preferred. Labeled for you earlier today, this triangle as an A wave, a B wave, a C wave, a D wave, and maybe the E wave is already in. Yeah, so I talked about the concept of lower highs and higher lows. Wave 4, okay, and we get a bit of a breakout confirmation above 1930 for one more high, and then a 1944 will give us more clarity, and then ideally, yeah, 1960, 1970, 1980 would be sort of the ideal target range for this 5th wave to the upside. Yeah, and if it's indeed an impulse, not an ABC here, then we would get one more higher low and one more higher high afterwards. And then 2020 is going to be significant resistance. And yeah, there is not much more to talk about. I guess with regards to this wave 4 triangle, if we see a break below the A wave low at 1899, that would already be invalidation of the triangle and would already increase chances that we are already breaking down earlier, okay? An early breakdown. But at the moment, yeah, let's see if that is, at least the bulls are trying, right? The bulls saw the triangle complete and they thought, look, let's try it. And the D wave already broke, which is a good sign. But until we take out the B wave, we don't really have strong confirmation that it's trying to push. I would be surprised to get a fifth wave on a Saturday. It rarely happens, so I'm not very excited about this now. Okay, let's see. I hope you liked the update about Ethereum. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links in the description. There's additional content, signals, and much more. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.